Hello YouTube. Got a box here, so let's see what we have. These are Moog rear coil springs, parts number CC501. Okay, these coil springs are actually for the rear of A-body General Motor vehicles. That includes the 68 to 72 Chevelle cars, including the SS, the Tempest cars, including the GTOs, and the Cutlass cars, including the 442s. From 1968 to 1972. But they also fit the Panther body cars, the Grand Marquis, the Crown Victorias, and the Lincoln Town cars. The difference is when you put these on a Panther body car, they lower the rear end 2 inches, which is perfect for me because that's how much I'm going to lower the car, 2 inches. And they're variable rate springs. So when you're driving normally, you have a comfortable ride. But if you drive aggressively on corners, they stiffen up and improve handling. There's no need to cut. That was a main issue with me getting these. I won't have to cut anything because I refuse to cut. There's no shortcut for me. I'm not going to cut anything. So I got these. These are going in the back. And it'll lower the car 2 inches. And I'm ordering some custom springs for the front. These here saved me $200. Because I bought these for $95. If I would have got custom lowering springs from Eaton Springs, it would have cost me $300. But I'm still going to order the fronts from them. Probably in about a day or two, I'm going to order the fronts. They're going to be $300. But at least I saved $200 with the back. As you know, I already bought the rubber isolators to put on the top right here. And then so you can put it in and not hear any vibrations. So that's it. I'm 1/2 of my lowering kit is here. The rear springs. More videos to come, including when I'm going to install these as soon as the fronts come in. Until then, I'll see you.